What's up, guys? It's Movie Hoarder here, back for another Blu-ray double feature unboxing. This is for the third and fourth movies in the franchise. It's first time on Blu-ray, and it's for the Karate Kid Part 3 and the next Karate Kid. Here on Blu-ray, double feature. Yeah, so you just have both of them there. So there's a front cover, spine, and you got your back. Okay, so here it is, front, spine, and back. Okay, and then just got a single disc with both movies. So yeah, guys, that was my quick unboxing of the Karate Kid double feature for parts 3 and 4. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, thank you. Also leave me a comment section below letting me know what's your favorite karate film. Thank you.